submit that project and follow it up immediately.
Okay, boss. Yes, boss.
Well, first of all, I admonish your work. I mean the Greenlight Estate job. You are doing a great job there.
Thank you, boss.
All right, let's go and have something to eat.
Okay.
Ah! you thought you get me there. No. I cannot fall to your prank. Well, my love, see, listen, my love. I told you I'm going to get that stuff for you. Why you now? You don't trust me? I will do it. To the design. So my design not too much for your body, so yes. Yes. Okay. It's a promise. In fact, I'm closing today's work because of you right now. I'm coming up now. I'm coming.
So, when you told me about that lady, I thought you were just joking, but to my greatest surprise, I walked in myself and I saw everything. My lady, yes, I'm coming waiting for that now. Yes. Stop. Yes, I'm really welcome. Yes. It's alright, sir. Everything will be fine. Okay.
How do I get his attention? He seems to be so in love with Amaka. I have the opportunity to take him for myself. Yes, his father is a billionaire. Imagine both of us becoming an item and I take control of his father's wealth with him. Gosh. Why Amaka? Why that girl? They speak on the phone all the damn time. And what will I do to destroy this ship? What will I do to stop these two people? What will I do? I just want him all to myself. I just want him. It's supposed to be me, not that stupid girl Amaka. Not a single mother. Someone that was giving birth out of wedlock. Come on. That's a very bad pedigree. That Richard kind of person would not like to spend this rest of his life with. No. I have to do something. I have to do something to put an end to this ship. What will I do?
She's a hustler, what a serious girl on a man. She no get time for gossip at all. But you don't see her as a fool. If you come to her shop,
I don't forget. I know, Mama. All this country no na go get. What can one kill me? What can don't give woman? You don't give me get a belly. You don't give woman belly. After they tell her something my father tell her they check for us. Let me test and follow her. I feel right body, be right body. I tell her say nothing dey happen. And I tell her they mad. Never can fight. We change them for each other. I look at the bottom person, maybe the bottom person. What is one thing? Me when see them in the mad. Ah, sure, you don't forget me. You don't care if I don't say me, I know it. I will call you back, I beg. Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. How are you?
I'm fine, no. I'm not saying that you.
Yeah, I've been honking since.
I don't fuck up. I just said I go, you send me something for Lino. I'm not saying your car be this. Well, sorry. How you doing now?
I'm fine. Oh.
Well done. You fresh. Try your skin. This is outfit, gallant.
Thank you very much, Onome.
Well done, boss.
Onome, my dad wants you to fix his old phone for him.
Your papa?
Yes.
One man fix his old phone?
Yes.
Rich man. Tell your papa say big man supposed to change his phone. Not supposed to repair him. Not taboo. Who go chop this money for now? I mean, when next of king come now, you go your waste time.
Onome, this particular phone is so important to him. He has some documents inside the phone, so he wants to fix it. Okay. No, no problem. Bring the phone. No, I'm not with it at the moment.
Yeah, then you go bring it for me.
No, it's at home. He insists you come take it by yourself.
Your papa insists I go call on the house.
Exactly.
That your papa na guy mad because I tell her they do home service. He just really want to run up for me. I want to toilet for him.
But are you busy at the moment?
Hey!
Just back up.
She's a hustler. What a serious girl, man. She don't get time for gossip, but you don't see her as a fool. If you come to her shop, she's a hustler.
I'll drop you off at my place so you can meet up with my family. Onome, what about what we discussed the other time? Talk to me.
I feel see your papa first.
It's alright. And also, I would like for you to come with me to my event. It's at free will, okay? I'm not forcing you.
No problem. I tell you before me get to see your papa first.
Okay. And I hope you're okay.
They're fine. Hope you know the vex.
No. It's fine, I'm already used to you.
Nice. How are you?
Thanks, sir.
Okay.
No, she.
Well done there. Please. These are the forms.
Okay, sir. Thank you very much, sir.
Please, I want you to fill this form perfectly well.
Okay, sir.
But handle with care.
Yes, sir.
They're very expensive forms.
No problem, sir. You no need to fear. I go handle them well. I go repair them.
Please, for me.
Thank you very much, sir. Too much. I'm at the home again.
It's okay. Alright, I'll transfer part of your payment to you.
Ah.
Yes.
Sure, sir.
Yes.
Sure, sir.
One thing you must remember, Nome.
Yes, sir.
My son personally recommended you to me. You know what that means.
I'm not going to disappoint you. I know very well. Trust me. Your phone, they safe hands. Once I repair, I will come deliver them for you. Well, sir. Sure, sir.
Come here, your way now.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Oh, funny woman.
So with this, we can skate through.
Alright.
Yeah, this is the graph.
Let's see. Is this the proposal?
Yes, sir.
Oh wow, let me have a look at it.
Okay.
Wow. This is neat.
Yes, sir.
You are really doing a great job.
Yes, sir.
I'm impressed. Is anything the matter?
No, sir. I'm fine.
Alright, you can go back to your office. When I'm done with this, I'll call you.
Okay, sir.
Where are you going with your bag?
I'm coming.
Wait. I thought you and Papa were supposed to go see Sandra's parents today.
I said I'm coming, but not too soon. What's your problem? Are you deaf? I'm coming. So what's your problem?
Voke!
Careful! I said I'm coming.
Where is he going with his bag? Voke!
Are you sure these phones are okay?
My phones? Now my sister went there abroad bring those phones now. I don't figure they use 2 phones. Now make me say make I say I phone they with you, they say whether they okay. Test them now.
Okay, I check because you know the country not doing good like this now.
Baba, you know my guy, nobody today will know.
Okay. This one they're alright, so but I don't want any wahala. I don't want to holler. I don't want here say person trace me come my house say I buy stolen phone.
Make I call my sister for video call and break those phone call from Germany. Not be Bobo juice.
Okay. But
I beg, you want small thing join that money they talk. It's too small now.
Which one be I go add small thing join the money while they talk? Do you need this money or not? Right. Because I don't have strength to add any money again. And you know I didn't want to buy these phones, but you're the one that was persuading me that I should add something.
It's okay. Please just send the money, I beg. Send the money. But you know those phones are expensive.
It is expensive, I understand. But just take what I'm giving to you. Eh? I'm just doing this because you are my guy. Let me transfer for you.
First bank.
Okay.
309 476 59 52.
Okay. No send.
Okay.
I don't see him. Alright, I know wahala. Now where they enter like this now?
But where they enter no concern you. They relate now.
Because I don't pay you money now. You say no concern me. I don't pay you money now.
But I'm going to somewhere.
Okay, drop.
Where you go?
Lagos Park.
I want 5.
Stop, you want 5. Now what time you go Lagos Park?
No, I got enter more they go.
Jaga, sister. Jaga, sister. How far now? Who collect the phones where I keep my side? I don't collect phone. I don't know. I'm saying you don't know. I keep some phones where they repair now. Where the phone I better bring and come back. I don't know. I'm not even near your bag, safe, sister. I'm not near them. When you talk this kind of thing, I get some kind of big phones, like big phone, big man phone where I put my side here. Maybe bring them home for me. I better put them back. Go collect them. I'm not
even know say you even put anything like that. I don't know.
Where bucket? I asked you where bucket? Oh, where is bucket there? I asked you for the when the phone when the ten say you know the man will give me this phone in the press.
I swear, I don't enter your, I don't even touch your bag. I don't see anything.
Where bucket? Where bucket?
No, I don't know where it's going. I don't know where it's going. Just, I don't know that it's there. I don't phone. I don't even know say you people convert for them.
People tell this for me, they give me phone. I know they like this guy thing. No, that's what it. Then they give me the phone now. If I play me, they stop him.
Where is bucket?
Papa.
Why is this phone switched off? We had a meeting and agreed that we should go and meet with Sandra's parents. And up till now, he's not here. Where is he?
Don't tell me that kind of word, Papa. Okay, no, switch off. Papa! Where your phone, Papa? Where your phone? Where my phone? I ain't gonna everything. I don't see okay, Papa. Now this man, that chief, now give me this phone. He gonna kill me. I don't get connection to phone now. I don't collect them. I don't see anything. Papa, the man give me the phone. Now baby phone, Papa. I don't get money to collect to compare for the phone. When I give me the phone now, what do you want give me? Papa tell them when I give me the phone, I swear to God, I'm not gonna give my thing.
Okay, have the 800.
I swear.
What did you collect them? I'm not collecting anything.
Hello? Onome, why are you crying now? Onome, talk to me. What is the problem? Why are you crying? Did somebody die? What? Onome, the phone my father gave to you? Onome, what happened now? I don't get, like... Someone broke into your shop and took the phones. Ah, God, Onome, ah, God. Listen, just stop crying, okay? You know what? Just come to my office, please. Onome, stop crying. Onome, come to my office. Let's find a way to solve this issue. Onome, crying will not solve this issue. Please come to my office, okay? Hi. It's okay, it's okay. Stop crying, okay? Nobody died, so stop crying, please. Hi. Alright, I'll be expecting you.
You sounded so urgent on phone. What is it?
He ran up, guy, invaded my room and tried to rape me.
It's okay. I'm here now, okay? Just calm down. Okay.
He tried to rape me.
Calm down.
He tried to rape me. Imagine if he had succeeded in raping me, I would have ended up being a baby mama like Amaka.
What? Maka, she has a child?
I thought you knew.
She has a child?
You didn't know?
She didn't tell me that.
I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry about that. This is your first time you're coming to her place. I'm sorry that you don't know about this. Sorry, sir. I'm sorry.
It's okay. You seem to know much about Amaka.
Yes. We grew up together in the same town. She's like a sister to me.
Okay. It's okay. You know what will happen? I will take you to the company's apartment, one of the apartments in the company yard, so that you just stay there for now. I will try to speed up finishing your own apartment, okay?
Don't mind, because I cannot spend the night in this house. They might come back again with their car and rape me. I don't want to be real. I don't want to
Let's go. Calm down, okay?
Sir, Chief Dr. Otumba, if careful na person, mommy, I dey careful, but this life it don't show say person no dey too dey careful. I don't know how to lose guard like this because I be guard that fool. Since when they repair people phone, nobody for this life doctor say phone lost. Now the first time I be this, sir. I beg you. I don't ask everybody. I don't ask my sister, my brother, my relation, even everybody went in my area. The remain native doctor, please make I go ask. I beg. I don't know how the phone they go. I make I carry my papa come beg.
Onome, I'm not interested wherever you have gone or whoever you have searched or wherever. Where are my phones? I just need my phones back.
The way I did try to explain to you, I don't know how to do what.
Onome, do you know how much those phones are worth? Those phones are worth 3.8 million naira. And I'm not talking of the documents I have in them. Really and truly, I didn't know you were this careless.
I do not know what to say in this matter. But I'm here to attest to the truth that my daughter is not careless. And this has never happened before.
Then where are my phones? What happened to them? Like I said, those phones are worth more than 3.8 million naira. Either she gets me the phone or she pays for them.
It's okay, son. We're here for settlement.
Please. Son, it's okay, man. It's okay. Stop. It's okay. Sit up. Just get up. It's okay. Please sit down. Sit down. Mr. John, on whatever your name is.
Not John, Mr. John, I be name.
Sit down.
No, Papa, no sit down. No strap.
Like I said earlier, if he's unable to get me my phones, then you give me the money, 3.8 million naira. I'm done with you. If you're unable to do that, I'll give you just one option.
Sir, we don't get the money to pay. Then make me and my papa come beg you. Pay you help us. Since you say the phone na 3.8 million naira, I beg, sir. If you use your church mind, do discount for me. Make I pay 3,800 naira. I beg.
Are you out of your senses? Onome, I have just one option for you. If you're unable to pay for those phones or return them to me, you get married to my son. That is it, son.
Papa, I think that you say no good for big man to help poor man. You must pay. I know. You must pay. I feel talker.
I've been wanting you. I deserve you. I love you. You know I love you from the start, from the start. It's me that deserve you. I want you. Don't you get? Can't you see that I love you more than her? I have everything it takes. I have boobs, I have boom boom. I can even squint for you, baby.
Stop.
I want you. I want you.
You know what? Let me take you to that apartment now.
I want you to explore my body. I want you to explore my body.
So what are you going to do now?
Why be say I confused, boss? I'm not confused. You understand? I'm not confused. Now say, I'm money one I no get. I need to go hustle money. I'm not for pay. Only thing I could just try, to hustle now. Enter street hustle, triple my hustle. Man gather money pay and now the only thing will go happen with that.
So are you going to accept the guy?
Accept fire. Accept waiting. Not jazz.
You know your father say make I beg you. Make you see if you feel change your mind. Yeah? If not what you feel do I make
Chidi, my papa already know the kind pikin wey him born. For me to enter street, go to hustle for my family, I don't be any other person. I know 1 or 2 buttons where I go press. Men go give me better money where go change my future. But at what cost? My body. Now make me enter street, they also legit hustle. My papa no say my no na my no, and my yes na my yes. He know naturally. Now we say Martin a bad guy. The guy a very nice guy. Very sweet young boy. But I don't feel nothing for him. I don't feel anything for him at all. I just like him as a normal friend. I don't go use shame, can't go swallow spit where I don't throw away. No.
Your elder sister has refused the offer. She insisted that she will not marry against her will. The challenge now is how to pay the bills of the phone that was lost. Okay.
It's okay. Papa, I am confused. I don't know what to say or do anymore, Papa. I'm just tired of the whole situation. I don't know.
Have you spoken to your elder sister?
Eh? Me? Ha! Papa, no! Papa, she walked me out of her room. I cannot speak to her, please. Me, I'm tired though. Oh, Papa, I don't know why I'm having this feeling that Foke did not steal the phones. Oh!
Keep quiet. If you don't know what to say, keep quiet. Don't get me angry. Eh? Let me face one side. I'm here facing Sandra's parents. Eh? Be careful. Be careful. If it's not the one that stole it, who? Me or you?
No, Papa. I've never taken anything that does not belong to me. I did not steal it though.
If you insist he wasn't the one that stole it, maybe it is you.
I did not steal any phone, no.
Allow me to think. Let me better fix this. I hope she came from a good Christian family. And maybe they have taken her to a good hospital.
So what will not happen to the baby in her home?
Are you asking me? So I'm not the doctor.
Sorry.
I'm not the doctor you ask such questions. Be careful. Allow me to think. Allow me to face one challenge now.
How can she turn down such an offer? When she knows that we are poor and we don't have money to pay back the man. I don't even know what to say. Sister Nome is just being stubborn for no reason. Who would even turn down such a good offer? Who?
I don't know, but my own is that you should just go and beg. You just go and beg the man. Just go to his house and beg him. Because you know all these big men, that's how they reason. You understand? And some of them, they do take advantage of poor people. You know. So for me, I would advise you just go to the man's house and beg him. The man might understand.
Oh, Chidi, you don't understand. It's not possible. Auntie Onome will never agree to go back there. Besides, what if she goes there now and the man arrests her for turning down the offer to marry his son? What are we going to do about it? And my sister is in love with someone else.
Anyway, for me, I've said my own. Oh. If he asks me, just go there and beg him, you know, so that it won't be a case of trouble. They sleep. The younger go wake up. You understand? Let's try and beg him.
Oh, won't be possible. Me, I'm just tired of everything. No, I don't even know what to say or do anymore about this. It won't be possible.
I don't know what time do you need actually? Time for what? Or to think about the proposal?
No, go for liberty. And for me to pay back. See, more call a spade. Man, just tell me. I'm not going to marry your son.
Onome, please stop. This guy is a nobody for Christ's sake. He's not as handsome as I am. He's not even exposed.
If you look this matter well, I not take your money. Not be me lost phone. I not take your phone. If not, I not go there every day. They explain myself.
Where are the phones now?
And now they talk now. Let's say person run me streets, but that one for another day. Na story for another day. This is your one every day for the thief, one day for the owner. I know say one day I go catch you do this thing. Who want me this street? But for now they beg you, baby, you don't get me patience. Man go also money for streets. They can't pay you. Nobody say I no go pay you. I go pay you, but you go wait, get patience. Now you'll be the truth. What I do? I don't do anything. You don't want force me, man, marry your son. Say what happen. Papa leave me. No, they do that thing. Papa no like her. No, they do that thing. Man, tell them the truth. Make they call a spade. See, bros, you be better person. You na nice person. I appreciate everything we don't do for me. Sincerely. You tall, you fine, you handsome. You will get cat eyes inside. You na every woman dream, but not be my own dream. I'm sorry to disappoint you. You not be my own kind of man. I don't like you. I just like you as a friend and a brother. But for lover, zero. You know, pastor. Papa leave me, man, tell these people. See, you see these rich people, once they feel say they get money, they feel say they feel buy your conscience. Rich man don't feel buy my conscience, bros. You want man by tell you say I love you, can't marry you. Then if I can't enter inside marriage, I can't cheat on you. Now what do you want? I don't like you, bros. I know they use shame, swallow spit what I don't throw away. You know they work for me. Chairman, no best for me. I beg. I know go use shame marry your son.
You are going to be my daughter-in-law.
Not just.
I've seen it. And sooner or later, you'll be part and parcel of my family.
If I say I want log gates, I want to pin me down here, say I go do by forced marriage here. But mind you, sir, I tell my brothers and sisters, I tell people, I tell our area people, say they call your house in case you seize me. May no bless. Papa more they go because this is not you don't pass beyond. I not fit talk. Chief, I bet with all due respect, I will go.
Mr. John, I have not asked you to leave.
Chidi.
The meeting is not done. This is how it sits.
Sure. She no talk that kind of thing. Now what's the happen?
Sit down. Okay?
How you tell me this level? What did you find for here? Talk to me now, Chidi. You just can't. Guy, I talk calm. My instinct no dey lie give me lie. Once my mind they tell me something, that thing are true. I talk I say you no be ordinary person. I dey feel am towards if I come close to you, the thing they give me vibration. I dey feel am. Guy, what's up you now? Who goes there? What's happen?
Who goes there? It's a long story. This is the third time since this week that you've stepped out to answer call in the middle of the night. May I know why?
Babe, I didn't go out to answer any call. I went out to take call. But I was speaking to my friend.
Are you cheating on me?
Babe, can you just stop it? Stop! I am not cheating on you. How can you say that? I was only talking to my friend on the phone. I just don't want to disturb you with our call. So I went to the guest room to answer the call. I don't want our conversation to wake you up.
Because I was wondering the kind of discussion that would take you out of the room all the time to answer call. I mean, it's strange.
Can you just stop? Stop this, please. I am not cheating on you. Why would I want to cheat on my love? For what? I don't know why you don't trust me. Baby, you have to trust me. I love you so much. I'm not cheating on you. Okay? My baby. How can I cheat on my man?
Sorry about the way I thought.
Please, you need to trust me. You need to start trusting me, okay? I'm your baby.
Tony, nice.
No, I will not take this from you. I will not take this from you. What is all of this? Why are you policing me around? Why?
I'm not policing you, Irene. I'm telling you the fact. I don't know why you're shouting. Because you know I'm saying the truth. Just look at what you did earlier at the office. We were having a conference. A serious conference for the projection of the company. What did you do? You were busy chatting. Chatting when the conference is going on, when you're supposed to pay attention. Chatting with the same man I warned you about. The same man you always talk to at the middle of the night. You could not even wait to talk to him after work hours, but you were busy doing it.
Oh.
Is that I shouldn't talk to you?
Jerry is the problem again here. What is your problem? I have told you this countless times that I don't have anything to do with this guy.
Then you should leave whatever you're doing with him during work hours. You're being distracted. You are being distracted if you don't know. Know it now. You're losing concentration. You're not concentrating anymore. I'm telling you the fact. And my father is asking questions.
You need to stop this. Stop this with this your insecurity and all of that. Stop it. He's getting out of hands. It's not making any sense anymore. Are you thinking I'm cheating on you or what? I am not cheating on you. Can you just stop this? What is going on? What is wrong with you? Gosh.
My dear, it's been 2 months now. And it's been going on and on. She has changed completely. Because this is someone I know. This is someone I know. And this particular guy in question, I've asked her severally, why is it that the guy will not call during the day? It's during the night when we're asleep, she will sneak out outside the call. I've asked her severally, she will tell me it's just a friend. It's just a friend. But the attitude towards the phone calls and the sneaky movements is saying otherwise. So I don't understand. So now, if you can help me just help me talk to her. I don't know, just help me talk to her because she keeps saying I'm overreacting. I cannot be overreacting for something I'm sure about. It's okay. Or could it be that I'm just overreacting? Could it be? Please, I just need you to talk to her for me. Please. Just help me talk to her. You know better. Please. Please. I need her to be back to the woman I used to know. Please. Please. Thank you.
I'm sorry. Please forgive me.
So this is it?
There is nothing going on between me and this guy.
So this is
you
it.
that I
Shut
love.
up. So this is it. This is who you are. After all the love you promised me, you're not going to cheat on me. It's just me in this whole universe. If it's not me, nobody. So this is it.
Baby, I don't have
Don't
anything
touch
to
me.
do with this guy. It is you that
I said,
love.
don't. Are you not? Pick your call. The phone is ringing. Pick it.
No. There's no need to pick it.
Pick your call.
Babe, I don't have anything to do with this guy you're talking about. It's just a friend to me. I don't want to pick.
Okay, pick your just a friend's call.
Forget about the call, please.
Just pick your call. It's ringing. It's just a friend. I've heard you. Why not pick the call?
Babe, it's not important. Please.
Can you pick the call? Can you pick the call?
Please.
He's still calling. Pick it and put it in loudspeaker if you know he's just a friend.
Babe, I don't have anything to do with him. Please, can you just try to understand me? I don't have anything. Ah!
No, don't touch me. Are you okay?
I don't have anything to do with this guy. Babe, you're overthinking. Babe! Babe.
Bro, what's up with you? I thought you went to spend some time with Irene.
Can you imagine that Irene rejected my proposal?
What?
Yeah.
Why? I don't understand.
She said we are rushing things. This is someone I've been with for over 2 years, going to 3 years. After all the love we shared, Irene told me in front of everybody that we are rushing things. She got me humiliated. I have never ever been humiliated this way before.
Chidi.
Yeah.
Tell me you're joking.
I'm not joking.
Why would she do such a thing?
You heard me. We are rushing things. That's our reason.
This is someone you've been dating for more than 2 years now. No, I'm not happy at all. This is not nice. I'm not happy. So where is she?
I don't know. She'll be... Oh, check out the devil.
Babe. Babe, you're overthinking things. This is not how we should go about this. Please.
It's not how we should be going about what?
Irene, did you reject my brother's proposal?
Look, this thing you're asking is not necessary. Every adult knows what they are doing. And she knows what she's doing and she knows what she's up to. For me, it's fine.
I already told him that I needed some time. I don't need to rush things.
For me, I'll just take a vacation to cool my head before I run mad.
Babe, seriously, you're overthinking things. I only told him that I needed some time.
What time are you to someone you've known for 2 years? Father.
What's going on here? Madness.
Father.
Nothing, sir.
Is there something you are not telling me here? I saw your brother walk out in anger.
No, Father. He went to attend to something.
There's nothing going on.
Irene,
Yes, sir.
look straight into my eyes and tell me nothing. I know my son. He walked out of this place in anger. Is there anything happening? If there's anything, let me know now so we can settle it up.
Nothing, sir. Nothing.
And you, Martins,
Father.
what's wrong with the brother?
Father, he went to attend to something. I'm sure he's fine, Father.
If there's any problem, let me know so that we can handle it ab initio.
No, Father, there is no problem, Father. There's no problem.
I just hope so.
Well, that's it, man.
Oh my goodness.
Hey, God.
My baby. That's good.
You're surprised to see me here, right?
Who is it?
Oh, Jerry, you need to go upstairs. I'll clear this to you later, okay?
For real?
Yeah.
That should be good, man. Come upstairs.
Darlington, I know you bought this house for me. If you want me to leave, I will. But you need to wait on God's order. Please. Yes.
Really? You know you're very, very wicked. You're heartless. You're senseless. You're insensitive. In fact, you're a devil. You know, when this whole thing started, my mind told me. But I doubted my mind because I thought you were a good person. So this is it.
I fell out of love, Darlington.
You fell out of love?
Yes. When I needed your attention and all of that, you weren't there for me. You didn't give it to me.
And then you fell in love with the abroad guy, huh? After everything I did for you, after all my sacrifices, this is how you paid me back. This is how you paid me back by cheating on me. So this is it. This is it. I don't have any word for you. But I believe you know what's karma. Let's hold on and see to it. I won't say much. We'll see to that.
Whatever you sow, you must reap. Whether good or bad, you must reap. You better be careful, cause you can't run away from karma. Karma is real, real. You go cry, and I know you go cry. Love, love is for the strong. Love is not for the wicked. Love is not for the selfish. You can't run faster than your shadow. A picture in an end of war. And I'm a one who run over.
No, just it went off. I've been trying to plug it. It's not working. Is this something that will take time? Should I go and come back?
No, my have to see it. I know what to do. They all small.
Whatever you sow, you must reap.
You don't want to put your password. Put your password.
Just like that.
Put your password. I say you get what time is.
What? I've been trying to on this phone since morning.
See this thing where they are here?
Yeah.
What they do anything? They offer. That's why you use mistake. And now they keep the battery down. They drain one. Also, now when they use all these big phones, they are. And that offer. That's the mistake was.
Oh. So how much is it?
Don't worry, they're nothing. I just help you reset it.
Come on, I have to pay for your service.
Don't worry, they're nothing.
don't want to collect money.
Bros, I don't want you to. I don't do anything. I just help you set something. Now I'm not getting it. I'm not asking why the people are going to say that.
What's your name?
Onome.
How could she say a thing like that? Huh? She has to leave that house immediately. I'm disappointed in that girl. I'm disappointed in her. Very, very disappointed. I'm angry, son.
Dad, just leave Irene. You don't need to give yourself headache for nothing. It's obvious she has chosen her path, so just let her go.
But bro, you bought that house for her, right?
Yeah. Well, yes. Bought a house for her with my hard-earned money. Of course. Am I pained? Oh yes, I'm pained. But all of that was done out of love. I am not in the league of going to take things that I got for her because the relationship didn't work. Because that was done out of love. I mean, it's childish. So I just let it go. I just let it go. It's her luck. I can't go to tell her to vacate a building that I got for her out of love. That's childish. Okay, so at the moment I have seen someone that I like. Yeah, my eyes is on someone already. Though she doesn't know that she's a phone repairer.
A phone repairer?
Yeah.
You said a female phone repairer?
Yes, Dad. Yes, Dad. You see, it's just someone I met while I was trying to fix my phone, and from the look of things, I like her already. I just want to go low key and make my intentions known to her.
I don't get, bro. What do you mean?
What I mean is simple. You see, once I'm back from my vacation, I got this technique from a friend, and it really worked for that friend. I have to travel to that community if possible. I have to disguise myself, you know, act like a total nobody. Nobody will know I have any affliction from a wealthy home. I just want to go there as a random guy from somewhere, you know, get close to her. And then, look, my intention is to find someone that loves me for who I am. Because I think this whole thing is, they're taking advantage because we come from a wealthy home. So I want to go out there and hopefully God will give me the woman that loves me for who I am, not because of money. I mean, I have to do this to get the love of my life. Do you understand? So I will go there and live like a normal nobody, in short. In fact, nobody. So you have to handle my business, go to the office, and maybe when I come back, I'll tell you more things to do. But for now, that's my plan for now. That I just want to go through that technique because I have a friend that did that and it actually works for him. So,
son, understand what you're saying, but don't you think you are going too far? That it works for your friend doesn't mean it must work for you.
Exactly.
I mean, son, relax. With time, you get a better woman that will suit you, suit your status for yourself.
Dad,
I understand your pains. Not with all these, I mean...
But Dad, all I need is your support. Alright, I just need your support. And just know that I'm not going on a bad way. I think this will work. All I need is just collective support. That's all.
Now I make her dey work now. I don't say money will come. Yes, sir.
Chidu,
Mama.
you dey resemble one man wey really come do phone for my hand some time ago. You just dey resemble am well. The boy fine well, the brother.
People they resemble. They don't tell me say I look like. Every time I look like one brother with the hat Lance Noah that time.
Lance Noah. That's true. But this one you say well. Very handsome man. I like him. Then we come and call the pay phone. Very handsome man.
Thank you, Mama.
Don't tell you they call me Mama again. My name. The only difference is say that one rich well. They classy, you get money, you go school, you get connection, but you not poor, you don't get anything.
Mama, I make any work now, make money for come out.
I understand. But God will help you.
God will help you. I don't sabi the work. Nah, I don't sabi well. After you say school where I go now, this and I make it just sharpen my memory.
You better pass me now, this you go school. Me, I don't go school now. So you all go better pass. You must do well pass.
My organa.
Don't be smart, That man don't correct you. That one where they show them.
Yes, you don't correct.
Can you give him money, so?
Yes.
So the thing is, see, it all started from the first day I came to our workplace to fix my phone. You see, after fixing the phone, if you could remember, you told me not to worry about paying, which I insisted. But you said no, that I shouldn't pay.
I can't say now you be that man.
So maybe you did it out of your good heart, but deep down, that really did a lot in my system. From the part of you being a pretty girl, but still, still out there working to make your money instead of, doing all the negative things that girls do these days to get money. But you're out there working. And then your kind heart. So that made me like you. So then I was looking for a way to get closer to you. First, I am the anonymous that has been doing a lot for you. Yes. I am.
Okay.
You see, Firstly, I sent my brother. Yes. My brother has been coming to, give all
Martin, your brother?
Yes.
Oh, now I run the street? If to say I be lose person, I don't chop two brothers, Jehovah.
So,
Martin Latus. See my guy, you.
So, all of that was done because I was trying to get the right woman for me. Someone that is not after money. Because I've actually seen a lot. But with the whole trials for my brother and all of that, down on me that you're the kind of woman that is not easily or can never be manipulated by money. And that's why I love you. That's why I am so much in love with you. I did one crazy thing. Since it's confession time.
I lie.
You see, Voka is not a thief. I planned everything. I really don't know why I did that, but everything is history now. Okay?
Pima, Chief, see your phone. No rubbish.
No best.
I talk calm. I see when something they tell me something, my spirit too strong. I did observe and I say no. Everything. Oh, Papa, Pima, I tell you, I dey follow my mind. I dey like follow my mind. Because see this my mind. They tell me bad thing. I took and say something there about this guy. And this phone we all lost like this. I say what did they happen? Why everything they happen all of a sudden? The thing tire me. Now I mean I don't I said not be smart here. I won't cut shame. I won't cut.
Yeah, everything is actually happening all of a sudden. You see, there's always a point in a man's life when when he would tell himself the truth, when he would agree that it's about time he did the right thing.
I don't like this kind of thing, Papa. Papa, I know they like this kind of thing when man go to propose to me. I know they like her. I want to tell man now. As if they ask me, say man marry, what I want to tell about Papa.
Yes,
I know they like her. I know they like her. I know they like when man they propose. Give me, they make me shame. Oh. What I want to talk now? What I want to talk?
Just say yes.
Just say yes.
You think they catch me shame? And they all put it in, shame, they catch me.
Congratulations. Congratulations.
You shame don't catch me. Papa, shame don't. I like this kind of thing. I dey shame. I dey shame.
You break my glass. You break my glass.
Congrats.
What is going on? All things to show.
They catch me.
Love is not for the weak. Love is not for the selfish.
I sold my 2 phones so that I can go to Lagos. A friend of mine promised me he will help me with some amount of money. So, but when I got to Lagos, it disappointed me. Am I supposed to kill myself because someone disappointed me?
So you didn't give me the money.
I said someone disappointed me. You want me to...
What?
Yes. Papa, I could not believe my eyes and my ears.
Wait, oh. If
I could not believe my eyes and my ears. All that glitters are not good. Papa Sandra called me and she told me that her parents are ready to fly her abroad, that I shouldn't bother looking for money around. That was the reason why I came back.
So if Sandra had not called you, you would have slept.
What kind of irritating question is that? If he had done that, I would have disowned him. And you, count yourself so lucky. If not, her parents would have dealt with you.
Papa, thank God she's still alive. Tega, what were you telling me about sister?
Long story cut short, sister is getting married. In fact, not just getting married though. Sister is getting married to a billionaire son. And guess who the son is?
Who?
Uncle Chidi, her apprentice.
Are you serious?
That's Papa now.
Uncle Chidi, a son of a billionaire. How? Papa?
Don't Papa me this time around. What she said is true. Besides, I'm still angry with you.
Papa.
I'm sorry.
Papa.
Papa, I'm sorry. I'm sorry, Papa.
But forgive him now. He's your only son, don't forget. Papa, forgive him, it's okay. Papa, calm down. What is it?
I'm sorry.
Papa, it's okay.
And what is going on here? What's the meaning of this? What's going on here? Babe, I don't understand. How dare you call my mom babe? Since when? Leo, what's going on here? Excuse me. Are you not Onome's friend? Her best friend? Well, Onome left Leo, so he came to me and I accepted. Onome left Leo and he came for you, yes, and you accepted. Yes. You must be very stupid. You are mad. You don't have sense. As for you, you're a big fool. Leo, you're a big fool.
You shut up?
I will shut up.
Who
Shut up.
Who are you for God?
Who am I?
Do I know you?
Okay.
Can you get out of this place?
Can you stop backing? Keep quiet. Hold on. News flash. I'm here to let you know that I'm 2 months gone. What? Yes. You are pregnant for my man? You can't be. I can't be. Yes.
Listen. She is pregnant for me. 2 months gone. So you can't be pregnant for me. Can you leave us alone?
She's pregnant as well.
Of course, as Ekene.
Yes, baby.
She's the only one pregnant that I know. I don't know about you.
I'm 2 months gone. Okay? Better go and look for who is responsible for this bastard in your womb. Not my man, Leo. You called my child bastard.
Are you okay?
What do you mean by that? Okay? Are you what?
Love is for the strong people, 'cause it comes with challenges. This love comes with
Hi, son. You look smashingly beautiful. I can see. I told you. Congratulations.
Thank you.
Son, ready for your trip now?
Oh, yes.
Nice one. Your daughter's looking smashingly beautiful.
Now money they run now.
That's good.
Where's Martin?
You don't have all the time.
Martin! Right behind you, bro.
Okay. Come back, see. Nice one.
Alright, bro, we're running late for the airport. I hope you guys don't miss your flight.
Oh, yeah, we need to leave. Yeah, we're ready.
Like people go hear from my house. Me, I go let them know say na the first time of my life why they enter flight. I go stop them for flight.
Love is not for the weak. Love is for the strong people, 'cause it comes with challenges. This love comes.
Papa, you mean to this father get us this car?
Yes.
This car? Papa, this white Benz?
Yes.
Papa is a liar! Papa, JLK!
Yes.
Look at the shot! Papa?
Yeah.
Papa, where's the key?
Don't worry, come out.
Papa! JLK!
Yes.
Papa, let me get campus.
No.
Papa, let me take the car to campus.
No, see, See.
Papa, JLK! White Benz! Papa, we're out of suffering.
Sure.
Everywhere classic, Papa.
Yeah. See, there's another thing. He promised to buy us a house in the city.
Hey! It means we're out of poverty, Papa.
Sure.
We are out of poverty.
Sure. You can say that again.
Papa, where is Tega? We need to cruise around the town. Papa, that's your favorite one joint now.
Yeah.
Mama Ejima store.
Yes.
Na beer settings.
But the challenge is I sent Tega somewhere to go and pick something.
To where? Tega should be here. Papa, do you know the worth of this car? JLK.
You can say that again.
Papa, give me key now. Let me test this thing, Papa.
Don't worry. You are testing it as you are talking.
Us.
That key is not for you, it's for me.
Papa, I'm taking this car to the campus.
No.
You know, my man was telling me you are making advances on him. I couldn't believe it.
Irene, after everything I've done for you, you chose to pay me back with evil by trying to sleep with my man.
Ah, Irene.
Irene, your services are no longer needed in this establishment.
Sir, I'm very sorry. Please forgive me. I'm sorry, please. Please, I'm so sorry for what happened. It's the devil. Please.
Please.
I'm so sorry. Help me, Ben. I'm so sorry. Please forgive me.
CSO, sir.
I'm sorry, please.
Take her to her office. She should pick her personal belongings. Then see her off this place. She no longer works with us, okay? Okay, sir.
Sir, please, baby.
Don't try it. Don't try this.
I'm so sorry. It's the devil, please. I didn't mean to.
Get out! After everything I did for you, ungrateful soul.
I'm so sorry, please help me beg him. I'm sorry.
CSO, do your work.
What was the meaning of what you said to me on phone?
You heard me
that
clearly.
you're done with me. How can you say that to me?
You heard me clearly. I am done with this relationship. I'm done.
Baby, how can you say that you're done with me?
I told you already on the phone. Why are you still asking me? I am done.
Did I do anything wrong?
Yes, you did everything wrong.
Baby, if I'm done with you, please forgive me. I love you now. Please, I'm so sorry. Please, whatever I've done to you, please forgive me now. I'm your baby now. I know my man. You're my man. I love you, baby. Please, I'm sorry. I don't know what I've done wrong to you.
This is what you've done.
Baby! You got me a car! Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Baby, got a car for me! Baby, why are you scaring me?
I'm sorry I scared you. I'm sorry.
You want me to have BP, right? Thank you so much. I love you. I love you, love you, love you. My man! Thank you, baby.
Love is not for the weak. Love is for the strong people. 'Cause he comes with challenges. This love comes with responsibility. Love, love is for the strong. Love is not for the weak. Love is not for the selfish. Love.
Onome, my daughter. How is UK? I'm fine. We're all fine. How is your husband, Chi? Oh, he's sleeping. I have an appointment with the doctor today. Okay, he's taking me to the hospital right now. It's alright. Tega is now in your shop for a meantime. Okay. It's okay. Thank you. Bye.
Papa, how is my elder sister?
She's fine. She extends her greetings to me.
I will call her now once I drop her.
Love is not for the weak. Love is for the strong people. 'Cause he comes with challenges. This love comes with responsibility.